Okay, this is my view from my window here at my hotel room on the 4th floor. You can see the SkyTrain, and you can see the traffic of the city. So where is the SkyTrain? Soon it will be coming through. You see, there's always scooters everywhere. This is the street. Bangkok. What a city. What a city. Lots of action always. Seems like a lot of things being built. Here's the SkyTrain. Here's the SkyTrain. You can see that things are being demolished and then rebuilt. Here's another SkyTrain. Really cool city, yes.